Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Jasmine, but you can call me Jazz. Today I wanted to talk about my 2-month lock update. Obviously by the title you can tell that I've been locked for 2 months now. I have starter locks and I did them by 2-strand twists. And I interlocked my roots about a month ago using the 4-point rotation. I just used a regular crochet hook. If you want to see how I did that and how it looked before and after, I'll link the video in the description. This is how I'm looking at 2 months. It is time for me to retighten my hair. As you can see, I need to retighten. Now, I love this twist out that I did using 2 flat twists. I really like how it looks. But yeah, just to show you what I'm looking like right now before I retie. Hopefully I'm in frame, hopefully. So yeah, I am loving my locks. I don't know if they were a subscriber, but somebody commented below regarding coconut oil, and I just want to let you know that I'm so grateful for that comment because I didn't think it all the way through. I had watched a video where someone with locks was interviewing a loctician, and they mentioned that they only use coconut oil on their clients' scalps. And at that point, I, of course, was using it all over my hair, not thinking that because it can solidify, because coconut oil can solidify, that it can cause buildup. So I just want to thank you so much for bringing that to my attention again and kind of like confirming that I really shouldn't be using coconut oil if I don't want any buildup in my hair, because I'm not using creams or anything. So thank you so much. I'm now switching to a lighter oil. Right now I'm using extra virgin olive oil. I might get some avocado oil or jojoba oil or something like that, but right now that's what I have on hand. So I recently washed my hair to kind of, well, I clarified it to kind of get rid of any coconut oil that I still had in my hair. And because I braided and banded, I'm not sure if all of it came out, but I tried to make sure I got the length of my hair while it was in the braids. But anyway, thank you so much for that comment. You don't know how much I'm grateful that you mentioned that, so thank you. But yeah, so 2 months locked. Has anything changed? I haven't noticed any changes. You know, I don't see like any budding or anything like that, nor am I expecting it. I'm just, you know, chilling with my hair right now and enjoying it, so I'm not expecting anything extravagant. Yeah, I'm just chilling with it and loving it and all that good stuff. I have not been moisturizing like I was supposed to. It's January now. Last month was crazy. I'm an accountant, so, and I work for a public company, so year end was crazy. Bananas. So there were days, there were days when I didn't moisturize my hair, days when I just didn't do anything to my hair. So it's the process. I'm rolling with it. I'm just trying to make sure I pay attention to the things that I eat and my water intake, because that obviously affects my skin, my everything, you know? So more water is always good, right? But I will be recounting my locks because I combined 4 locks into 2 locks. So I think my count should be like 307-ish. I can't remember if I combined any others, because I think in the last video or in another video I might have said I'm down to 305 from 309. But I just probably just need to recount again. So once I recount, I can give you guys another number. But yes, nothing extravagant has happened that I'm aware of. You guys, I wish I had my lashes on. I'm waiting on my lashes to come in the mail, and I didn't feel like going to the store to get no lashes, but I tried to play in a little makeup today, just because I never really do, and I never really know what I'm doing. I can watch all the videos in the world and still not have a clue what I'm supposed to be doing, so I tried, and I was a little happy with my results. So yeah, this is my hair. I'm loving it. I like being locked. It's really kind of low maintenance, which is what I'm looking for, right up my alley. My boyfriend had asked me if we were gonna lock my daughter's hair, and I'm like, I kind of want that to be a decision of her own. And she's only one, so we'll see later on down the line, because he is restarting his lock journey. So it's gonna be cool. But yeah, I really wish I would grow some balls and like lay my edges down, but I'm really, really, you know, afraid they're just not growing back from postpartum hair loss, or yeah, postpartum hair loss. So, you know, I'm just taking it day by day, and it's been 15 months, but I lost my edges like a year ago, and y'all, when my boots just weekend, so it was bad. Like, I was embarrassed. Like, yeah. But yes, I'm happy that they're back. All these gray hairs, we just gonna roll with them, I guess. Did y'all just love my hair? Sorry, I feel like I'm obsessed. But yeah, it seems to be doing good. I'm gonna start tackling this inevitable frizz, and I do try to like wrap it around, but somebody help me out. Am I supposed to be like palm rolling this in addition to interlocking to kind of, you know, get rid of some of that frizz? I know it's inevitable, but is there a way to kind of tame it, if that makes sense? It's in the end, when I become locked, if I do not palm roll, what will happen? Will it just be some frizzy locks, or should I be palm rolling? Like, let me know, because I'm on this journey and I'm kind of just rolling with it as I go. I did some research, but if you know, please let me know. I'm going to do some more research, of course. But yes, I am loving it. I mean, I could do a length check, but it's going to shrink. Before, I was around this area, as far as like the back and stuff, you know. So like, there's not really any changes. I'm not even focused on growth right now, although I do look like I got a little growth. Okay, sis. Was my head even straight though? Little length, whatever. Just for kicks and giggles. But I am loving my hair. And if you guys have any questions or any tips, I would really appreciate them. Just trying to help you, help me. This kind of circle. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you want to see all the other stuff that I talk about on my blog, you can visit my website, which is www.queenjazzreigns.com. I'll have that linked below. I just talk about my experiences with natural hair as a first-time mom, and I am also on a financial independence journey. So I'm trying to get out of my 9-to-5 and not have to work within a certain period of time. So by the time I'm 40, I think it's doable. Just have to have a plan and execute the plan and kind of stay on track. And if you get off track, know what you need to do to get back on track. So yeah, that's what I kind of focus on my blog. If you guys want to see videos of stuff like that, of me kind of integrating what I talk about on my blog on this channel, then let me know, because right now it's kind of just about my lock journey, because I wanted to keep track of it and see my progress. So if you're interested in that, then let me know, and I can definitely show you how I budget, how I plan in my Erin Condren planner, things that I do to save. If you want to see Callie, who is my 1-year-old. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Then just let me know in the comments below. But thanks you guys so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video.